Welcome to Chakrata, a hidden gem in the Himalayas tucked away from the chaos of popular hill stations. Chakrata sits quietly at 7,000 feet above sea level, surrounded by Devdar forests and the mighty Garhwal Himalayas. Located around 90 kilometers from Dehradun, this cantonment town remains one of the most underrated destinations in Uttarakhand, offering solitude, adventure, and unspoiled natural beauty. Tiger Falls, nature's roar. Among Chakrata's most iconic sites is Tiger Falls, one of the highest direct waterfalls in India. A short trek through dense forests leads to the thunderous cascade of water plunging from 312 feet. The serene atmosphere and the sound of the fall create a perfect ambience for those seeking a nature-filled escape. Budher Caves, a journey into mystery for the curious and adventurous. Budher Caves are a must-visit. Also known as the Miola Caves, they are said to have been discovered by a German explorer. Local legends suggest they were built by the Pandavas. These limestone caves stretch deep into the mountains, inviting explorers to uncover their dark, winding secrets. The nearby Budher Meadows offer panoramic views of the Himalayas and are an ideal picnic spot. Devban, a walk in the clouds. Another breathtaking sight is Devban, literally translating to God's own forest. At 9,400 feet, this viewpoint offers a 300-degree view of snow-clad peaks, including Nanda Devi and Bandar Poonch. A trek or drive to this spot during sunrise or sunset guarantees a surreal experience with clouds rolling beneath your feet. Kanasar, where silence speaks. Kanasar is one of Chakrata's best-kept secrets. Surrounded by some of Asia's oldest and largest Devdar trees, this scenic location is ideal for camping, photography, and unwinding amidst towering woods. The peaceful environment and clear night skies make it a dream for nature lovers and stargazers. Adventure and wildlife. Chakrata isn't just for serenity seekers. It also caters to adventure lovers. Rock climbing, rappelling, and forest treks are popular here. For wildlife enthusiasts, the Chakrata region is part of the Jansar Bawa region and is rich in flora and fauna. Birdwatching is especially rewarding, with sightings of the Himalayan monal and other exotic species. Local culture and cuisine. Interacting with the local Jansari tribe offers insight into a unique culture untouched by mainstream tourism. The food is simple yet delicious. Don't miss trying the mandua ki roti, gahat dal, and other local specialties, often prepared using traditional Himalayan methods. Accessibility and stay. Chakrata is accessible via a scenic drive from Dehradun. The roads wind through pine forests and cliffside views, making the journey as beautiful as the destination. While luxury hotels are limited due to its military zone status, there are cozy guest houses and homestays that offer warm hospitality and stunning views. Before we continue with more tranquil corners of this Himalayan treasure, don't forget to support this channel. If you're enjoying this escape to the peaceful heights of Chakrata, please like this video, subscribe for more hidden destinations, and leave a comment telling us your favorite mountain getaway. Your support means the world and keeps these journeys going. More experiences in Chakrata. For a more immersive experience, try forest picnics near Kamona Falls or take a motorbike ride to Vyas Shikhara for a rugged journey to one of the highest points in the region. You can also visit the small temples dotting the area, many of which are still unexplored by tourists. Best time to visit. The best time to explore Chakrata is between March to June and September to November. Summers are pleasant, while the post-monsoon season offers clear skies and lush greenery. Winters turn Chakrata into a snow-laden wonderland, perfect for those who love chilly adventures and pristine landscapes. Chakrata isn't just a destination, it's an experience. Whether you're seeking peace, exploring ancient caves, gazing at endless Himalayan views, or chasing hidden waterfalls, this quiet hill station offers it all without the crowds. If you're tired of commercialized hill getaways, Chakrata will renew your spirit with its pure, unfiltered